Riwruok mar jotije mbalariany pod oramo ni ok ginyal chungo ng'anyo ka sirkal ok owinjo ywakgi ewi dwaro margi. Ng'anyono osenyono ndalo 28 ka twak mar tamo thege bende pod obedo matek. Ten migawo mar somo Julius Ogamba ma oloso motelo to wacho ni en kod geno ni lalruok margi biro nyuolo olemo kendo ng'anyono biro chung'. Ng'anyono jotije mbalariany pod omako chung' ni nyaka sirkal gol bilion 7.9 mar chopo go osingo mane giketo e kogno.
This weekend in Machakos to work out on the issues of the 2017-2021 CBA, and they had another team also negotiating the 25-29 CBA cycle. So we are hoping that they'll be doing a report today to make a decision as to how much money is outstanding. As you are aware, the unions were demanding 7.9 billion. But SRC indicated that 7.2 billion has been paid. There's a balance of 624. On Friday, we had released resources to a total of about 38,000 schools, and with a total of 9 million learners. So far, that exercise is going to be completed this week, and the schools that have not received the capitation are those schools whose data has not been verified or have not been received. But our teams are working with them